Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Bianca. Have you been watching my Thailand rural life series recently? So about a month ago, I was living in the village of Qingdao, which is 1.5 hour drive from Chiang Mai, with my friend Eden. She's now building a farmhouse in this village. My intention about filming this series is I wanted to show you guys this simple, very relaxed village lifestyle with you guys. Nothing much really exciting going on unlike my other videos. In this video series, it's more just like waking up in the early morning, making our own food, have this beautiful scenery. I hope to bring this 15 minutes piece in your busy day. And the only thing I really fucked up is I messed up the settings of my GoPro. That's why all the videos you see in this series are very, the color is not that good. But I hope you still can feel the vibe from the farmhouse. So with that, let's dive into today's video. Another day, another construction. Let's get out of here. It's so funny that I actually come here to seek for peace, but every day you wake up, different constructions, and during the night all the pets are just going crazy. Dogs are barking and all the kittens, they just like scratching on the wall. How is it? Is the view better? Huh? I'm going to a local gym. There she goes. Here's the gym. It's quite nice actually. Big hell gym. It's right in the middle of the village. Since 2019. Here's the price list. So one day for 60 baht, damn. Danny would be really impressed. Let's check out. Hello? Nobody's here? Not bad. Got some treadmill. This is multi-machine? I don't know how you call that. Got some free weights. I can do squats here. Can do boxing there as well. That's nice. I think last time I did my workout was like, it was in Chiang Mai, not that long time ago, but don't look that good. Have to work hard. Oh, I guess I'm just gonna be starting myself now, and then if somebody come, I'll come. Do you have coffee? Have coffee? No coffee? For one day. Yeah. Okay. Oh, maybe let's try some energy drink today. Normally I don't drink those things, but I thought they have coffee when I search on Google, but they don't offer coffee today, so I definitely need some caffeine. But if they don't have, then I can just drink some energy water, vitamin water. Everything is quite cheap here. Which one should I have? Eden's here. Let's go home. Let's go eat. Hello. place to have lunch. Look at this mountain, guys. Every day I'm like shocked by this mountain for many times. So you just said here I got some like really nice noodles. We actually already went to somewhere else, but they are closed as per usual. And now this place is finally open. I am starving right now. Worked out for 2 hours and now, you know, every time it's like that. After a workout, you just feel so tired and just want to eat. Oh yeah, I'm fine.
Okay.
Okay, I'll have a beef noodle then.
Beef noodle.
Yeah. Oh yay! We're having noodle with this view. So pretty. They're getting the rice field ready. So I believe in like maybe 2 months, here's gonna be full of rice field. It's gonna be all green, and then you have this mountain over here. Oh my God! You must have come to Qingdao. This place, absolutely insanely beautiful. All right, guys, our noodle is here.
I love the beef here.
Ooh, the beef looks so good. And we also got some spring roll. Crispy spring roll. Oh, it's hot. Hot. Look at this view.
The
Good?
beef is so tender.
Yeah. Egg noodles. Looks so good. Egg noodles. Beef. This is 60? Or, oh no, I don't know how much.
50.
60.
I think
Damn.
so, yeah.
Wow. 60 for this amount of beef. This is crazy. Here, oh, we got even more. Okay. Looks really good. 真的很好吃啊。
它这牛肉有点像中国的做法。
对，我就是觉得很像中国的。super。这个简直就是入口即化。
对。
So soft. You don't even really have to chew it. As per usual, I got some sauce here, so maybe I'll just add some chili. This chili. Didn't expect this, but it's fine.
I have no idea what did I order actually. She was talking so much. I'm like, okay. That's what we have.
I like mango smoothie.
โอเคไหมคะ โอเค อร่อย อร่อยไหมคะ
Here. Okay, I have to head to home now because obviously the rain is coming. Oh, I already feel it. Yep. Let's go. We have all the pets at home. Finally, they're gone. We have a piece back.
So today is a construction day. I'm filling up dirt at a lot of area on the land because after many storms about 1 week ago, there's many area that was flooded. So I need to like make the land higher so it doesn't get so much water after the rain. So today they filled up this garden area and the parking space and also the area around my toilet, so my toilet doesn't become a river again. Last time it became a river and my sandals were like 2 boats floating on it.
Yeah, everything looks so much nicer right now. And finally, it's raining. Finally. For the past few days, it always like, it's gonna rain, it's gonna rain. Oh, okay, it's not gonna rain. But today, the rain is here. Then, look at this, like all the smoke in the air, the haziness. So beautiful. And I think Eden's about to go to an event, and I'm gonna be here doing some work with all the pets here. This is Jojo. Jojo, hey Jojo, you don't eat chips. And this is Chestnut. Hi Chestnut. And we also got like dogs outside. I don't see them. Oh, right here.
What?
I'm introducing all the pets.
Oh.
Here, this is
No.
Lucky, this is Blue, and that is Tiger. Guys, you have to stay outside, okay? We have to protect the cats.
What's that? Oh.
哎，过去，你过去，过去，我在拍你。
Tiger. Tiger. Go like. Go like. Show it. Why are you licking my feet? Show it. Tiger. Tiger. Oh, you. Wait, you're chewing my clothes? Fuck. 这么一会儿的功夫 It's almost. No. 我只是 No. Scared me. No. 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 No.
Lucky. Lucky. So the rain stopped. Look at this beauty. God. And also the construction is gone. So you have all the birds. Everything's so clear. Still trying to get along. Yeah.
They kissed. Yeah, but then Chestnut immediately starting to like again. You see?
Yeah. Ah! French kiss. And this one is so sleepy. Jaja. Jaja. So sleepy.
No. Yeah.
Everyone, thank you so much for watching today's video and make it this far. If you're new here, my name is Bianca. In early 2020, I left home for a week trip, ended up stuck outside of my own country. For the past 2 years, I've been gypsying around the world until I can get a ticket to fly back home. I use YouTube to document this incredible journey. In the beginning, it was just a place for me to storage all the good memories, but as time flies by, my pocket is getting smaller and smaller. Now I treat YouTube as my full-time job and I'm working on it every single day. Recently, I have started my own Patreon. This is a place for people who ever want to support me on this journey or just simply wanted to encourage me to create more contents as YouTube income is really not stable. I'll put the link of my Patreon in the description box. Any amount is appreciated. No stress at all. Hope to see you there. Have a good day and I'll see you in the next video.